wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Hey Glam fam, today I have something great for you and for your partner. This smoothie here is going to be extremely beneficial to your body. Let me share with you guys exactly how to make it and all of the benefits of everything used in it. Oh, and if you're new here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we meant to be. Now you guys, these are just a few of the ingredients that we are going to be using on today. Please keep in mind that you do not need to use everything that is in this video, just use what you have. And if you are interested in anything shown here, make sure that you check out the description box in order to get your very own. One of the first ingredients that we are adding in is pineapple chunks. We will be adding in 1 cup of pineapple chunks. You can use fresh or frozen pineapples. And honey, we all know what pineapples are used for. So just make sure that you pour these in and then we can move on to the next step. And the next step is that we are adding in some of our strawberries. Now you could use raspberries, blueberries, cranberries, or strawberries, whichever one that you prefer. Next, you want to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You could use regular or Greek yogurt. And all that you want to do is just add this in. Now we're going to discuss what this smoothie is beneficial for towards the end of this video. So make sure that you keep on watching to learn a little bit more. We also ended up adding in some dandelion tea. Now this tea had been steeped. This is about 4 ounces of tea, and all that you want to do is place this in your smoothie. Now dandelion also has amazing benefits for the body. If you guys did not know, well honey, you're in the right place and now you know. And moving right along, it is now time to add in coconut water. So we're also going to be adding in 4 ounces of coconut water as well.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Say maybe if you ask me yesterday.
As we all know, honey is a natural sweetener, so we're going to be adding in about 1.5 to 1 tablespoon of raw honey. And we will also be adding in 1 teaspoon of maca root powder. Well, technically we will be adding in 2 teaspoons since it's 2 of us. But if you guys are just making it for yourself, definitely only add 1 teaspoon, honey. We all know what maca root does. For the ladies, if you don't know, check out the video that is up in the cards. It gives the ladies happy feelings, okay? So I'd recommend just 1 teaspoon if you're just making it for yourself. But in this case, we are adding in 2.
It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go.
And after then, it is now time to place your smoothie in your glass. Now the glasses that we are using on today are from Amazon. I will leave the glass listed down below as well as for this glass straw. You guys, these glass straws are amazing, especially when it comes to smoothies that are of a thicker consistency, because it helps you to get a nice and smooth swig of whatever you may be drinking without having to think about it struggling coming through the straw. So after then, you guys, mission is complete. It is time to drink this delicious smoothie. Now this smoothie is said to remove bad vaginal bacteria and fungi. It also creates a sweeter smell and taste, and it helps to increase wetness. You guys, this is absolutely amazing, and I'd recommend that all of my ladies all around the world try this out. Okay, I want to thank you guys so much for watching and for checking out the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.